Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was born on 14th April 1891 in Madhya Pradesh as the 14th and the last son of Ramji Maloji Sakpal and Bhima Pai Sakpal. The family belonged to low Mahar caste, hence they were considered as untouchables. Ambedkar was fed up with the humiliation that he faced throughout his life. In one of his writings, Ambedkar had mentioned an incident when he was a school student. The students belonging to lower caste, so-called untouchables, were not allowed to sit inside the classrooms, and also these students were not permitted to drink water directly from the pot. A higher caste had to pour the water without allowing the low caste student to touch the pot. The peon in the school who belonged to higher caste used to pour the water. Ambedkar very painfully had written that on certain occasions they could not drink water as the peon was on leave. In 1908, Ambedkar joined Elphinstone College, Mumbai. He was graduated in economics in 1912. Then he went to England for higher studies and obtained the doctorate in 1927 from the University of Columbia. Upon returning to India, Dr. Ambedkar worked as a professor, lawyer, and journalist. From his own experiences, he realized the fact that caste discrimination is deep-rooted in India and it makes the society divided. The humiliation and the irritable insultation that he received made him do great things. He took a decision to fight against caste discrimination and evil practices. As the first step, he made the so-called untouchables aware of the importance of education. He believed that education is a powerful weapon to fight against injustice. It is the weapon that makes the individual powerful, and by education, we can uplift the suffering section in the society. Thus, Dr. Ambedkar became the advocate of education. He became the leader of Dalits. He organized them and motivated them. He talked to them about their rights. He forced them to unite. He made them aware of the need and strength of unity. He demanded freedom of expression for all the citizens in a secular nation. He raised his voice to provide education to all sections of the society without the discrimination of color, caste, creed, or religion. Dr. Ambedkar demanded the right to drink water from the public tank. He led the march against caste discrimination. He organized meetings and satyagraha. Thousands of Dalits joined him. Dr. Ambedkar launched a newspaper in 1920 by which he awakened the exploited group and made them aware of the drawbacks of the prevailing system. He led a march to Kalaram Temple in Nasik. About 15,000 volunteers participated in the march, but when they reached the gate of the temple, the gates were closed by Brahmin authorities. In 1935, Dr. Ambedkar was appointed as the principal of Law College in Mumbai. During this period, he lost his wife. That year, he announced his intention to convert to a different religion. Later, he received Buddhism. In 1936, he founded the Independent Labour Party. When India became independent on August 15, 1947, Jawaharlal Nehru, our first Prime Minister, invited Baba Saheb Dr. Ambedkar to his cabinet. Baba Saheb accepted the invitation and joined the cabinet, and thus he became the first Law Minister of India. Also, he was appointed as the chairman of the Constitution Drafting Committee, by which he was given the great and the most important responsibility to write a new constitution for democratic India. The Constitution of India drafted by Dr. Ambedkar provided equality before law to all citizens of India. The evil practices of untouchability and all forms of discrimination have been abolished by law. All citizens have equal freedom to enjoy equal rights without the discrimination of color, caste, religion, or position. Dr. Ambedkar argued strongly for the introduction of the system of reservation of jobs for the members of scheduled castes and tribes and for other backward classes in government services, and his attempts found success. The Constituent Assembly approved the drafting constitution on 26 November 1949, and the Constitution of India came into effect on January 1950. Baba Sahib Dr. Ambedkar is known as the architect of the Indian Constitution. He was also an eminent economist and a powerful social reformer. Dr. Ambedkar passed away on 6 December 1956 at the age of 65 at New Delhi. The people of this democratic nation will never forget him because he gave us a constitution by which the people of India became equal. He removed the darkness of minds and also the darkness of the society.